Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for detailed reviews and insights into top-rated products. In today's episode, we're featuring what might just be the best Thanksgiving artificial plant set on the market, the Suncalla 12-pack Fall Fake Potted Plants. These mini artificial potted flowers offer a perfect blend of seasonal color and rustic charm, making them an exceptional addition to your fall decor. Let's dive into the unboxing. As you open the package, you're greeted with 12 individually styled artificial flower pots. Each one is set in a neutral white pot and features carefully textured plastic foliage that's crafted to mimic the natural detail of real plants. The vibrant autumn hues, shades of orange, gold, and muted green, instantly bring the warm and cozy feelings of fall to life. Each arrangement stands about 7.87 inches tall and 4.72 inches wide, making them ideal for small spaces. They can easily be placed on windowsills, bookshelves, desks, or even in the bathroom to add a pop of color without overwhelming your decor. Despite their compact size, they make a big impression, and their uniform style across the 12 pots helps them feel like a cohesive set while still offering enough variety to keep things visually interesting. One of the standout features is their UV resistance. Whether you want to brighten up an indoor hallway or a shaded balcony, these plants are designed to retain their vibrant colors without fading over time. That means no worrying about sun damage or degradation, something especially important for seasonal items that get stored away and reused year after year. The faux foliage also makes these a great option for homes with allergy concerns or pets. There's no pollen, no scent, and no maintenance. No need to water, trim, or position them in just the right lighting. You can literally place them and forget them, and they'll still look just as beautiful next Thanksgiving. Now let's talk versatility. These are not just Thanksgiving decorations. Sure, they work wonderfully with pumpkins, pine cones, or festive garlands for your holiday table, but they can also transition into general autumn decor. They're perfect for fall-themed weddings, harvest festivals, or even office desks where you want to bring a touch of the season in a clean and stylish way. These artificial potted flowers also make excellent gifts. Imagine handing these out as Thanksgiving table favors, hostess gifts during Halloween gatherings, or as small seasonal surprises for friends and coworkers. Their neat packaging and polished presentation make them easy to wrap or present in gift bags. Their compact size means they're easy to store without taking up too much room, ready to be pulled out again next year. Or, if you just love the warm rustic vibe they bring, leave them out year-round. They'll work as rustic farmhouse decor any time of the year. To wrap up, the Suncalla 12-pack Fall Fake Potted Plants are a wonderful mix of charm, convenience, and color. Whether you're decorating a Thanksgiving table or just bringing in some seasonal cheer, these little pots punch well above their size. No maintenance, no mess, and all the warmth of fall. It's no surprise we're calling this the best Thanksgiving artificial plant set this season. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more product insights and home decor inspiration. See you in the next video.